I'm Betsy Wild, founder of We Craft Box, a kids craft subscription box sent to your home, and we are here to show you some really fun crafts that you can do with materials that you already have in your house. Yeah. And who is this? Can you tell them who you are? And who are you? That's right. And are you guys going to be my super crafters today?
Yes!
Can you tell them what we're going to make?
We're going to make bunnies and bubbles.
That's right, bunnies. We're going to make out of some towels, and we're going to do bubble prints. Some really cute Easter cards that you can send, or just some fun spring cards.
What we're going to make.
That's right. These are the fun bubble prints we're going to make. Okay, well, should we get started with the bunnies?
Yeah, start.
Max helped me make all these bunnies here, so let's get started. We're going to roll it up like a burrito. Oh, first, what you need. Any kind of a towel or a washcloth or a hand towel will work. Any kind of color. Some googly eyes, a piece of ribbon or string, a rubber band, anything that you could use for a nose, a cotton ball, and some white glue. All right, now we're gonna roll it up like a little burrito.
Burrito.
Great job, Max. Okay, then we're gonna bend it in half and bend it in half one more time. See, it already looks like a bunny. We're gonna hold it tightly, and put the rubber band around to hold our bunny together and kind of make the head.
I can't see.
All right, so there is kind of like our little bunny. Now Max is gonna add some eyes. 1 and 2. And then, can you glue the nose on?
Oh, look at that bunny.
Okay, you put it on?
Yes, white eyes.
Oh, look at him.
Has white eyes.
Now we have a little bunny face. And we're gonna put a little string on him. Yeah, Max has the finishing touch, is the cotton tail. All right, we're gonna tie a little
Cotton tail's
ribbon.
coming.
Oh, here comes the cotton tail, guys. I don't know if you can see it. And we're gonna tie a little bow
on top. Oh yeah. And here's another big
You can finesse it as you'd like, but then you have a happy little bunny family that you can put on display for spring.
Yeah, and you can put it out so the Easter bunny can put your eggs in there. And
that's right. You could even fit something in there if you wanted to. This is a towel.
Hi.
Hi. Mwah. All right, next we're gonna clean up and we'll show you bubble prints.
Bubble prints.
Hi again, here we are. We're gonna do our bubble prints. Now this is super easy. All you need is a little bowl with just a little bit of water, maybe about an inch, some dish soap. You can use food coloring or any kind of a paint. This is a Crayola finger paint, and a straw and some kind of paper. And we're actually using these to send as spring Easter cards to family and friends. So I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Maybe we can zoom in so you can see the contents of the bowl.
We're gonna how to do it.
Do you want to do it, Max?
No,
Look, we're gonna add some soap.
I wanna pour the paint in.
And we're gonna add some paint.
I wanna pour the paint, please.
You can be generous if you want it to be a bright color. And then you can mix it up using your straw. Mix it up really good. All right, and then this is what's gonna happen. All right, boys, do you wanna blow some bubbles and we'll do some prints?
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. All right, then you're gonna take your card that you have and you're gonna, did you see? It's pretty cool already. And they dry really neat. And you keep going.
Come on, Mom.
Great job, Owen. Good job, Max.
I'm gonna do it again.
And these are kind of fun. You can draw a picture on top of this, or you can just have a pretty abstract image or write a sweet poem to a friend.
All done.